To get started, you want to take your button and then thread on your cord. And then you want to match up the ends of your cords and run it through your fingers so that the button ends up in the centre. And then you just want to tie a knot to keep everything in place. And once you've done that, you can attach your button to the top of your board. And then you can start adding your beads. So you want to take your first bead, and you want to thread your cord through one side, and then you want to take the other cord and thread it through in the opposite direction. And then just pull until the bead goes up by the button. And then you can take your next bead and do the same thing again. So you're threading through in one direction with one cord, and then you want to take the other cord and thread through in the other direction. And you want to keep repeating this until you've got as many beads on as you need for your bracelet or necklace. So once you've added as many beads as you want, you can take the two ends and push everything to make sure it's nice and secure, and then you just want to tie a knot with both your cords. And just push the knot up to where the beads end. And then to make your button fastening, you just want to leave a little gap and then make another knot. And make sure that the space you're creating is big enough for your button to feed through. And once you've done that, you can remove your bracelet from the board and test that your buttonhole will be big enough. And you should end up with something that looks like this. So then you can trim off any excess.